will be about Microsoft PowerPoint. Let me share the screen. So we will take one of the PowerPoint application. So open PowerPoint. You will be once again. I think I have moved out from the PowerPoint screen. Let me retrieve back. I think this is the PowerPoint screen, and this today's we will be focusing on this application only. For your information, first we started with Microsoft Word. That is a word processing software where we can maintain documents, letters, circulars, like that. Next was Microsoft Excel, which is used for calculation purpose. We call it as spreadsheet, and this is a presentation software. Okay. And the document I maintain in Microsoft Word, I call it as a document. The page I maintain in thing. In Excel, I call it as a spreadsheet or a worksheet, and in the PowerPoint, I call it as a slide. So this white area, I call it as a slide. Here we will move slide by slide. We don't call it as document by document. We call this as a slide by slide. Clear? This is a ribbon panel which we always see in all the other Microsoft product. And here we have two layers, two parts. The one will have a smaller size, and this will tell about what we are going to prepare in a smaller level, and it will help us to move around. If any number of slides are there, you can move around with this thing. And this is the main area where you are going to design. Okay. There are various slide designs. By default, it is there. For this example, I have taken a slide design. Just if I click here, I can add a title. If I click here, I can add a subtitle. That's all. Designing this, if you could observe, the small dots are there, which will help us to design the layout, and it will help us to think. So we will type some content. So like this, I have typed a thing. It's in a normal black and white color. Like other Office package, you can use the formatting option to color it. Say I can make it bold. I can go to the option called format. System only by default will show me varieties of option, whether I want this. Apart from that, I can select any other color like this. I don't want it in a blue color. I can make it to red, and outline I want it in an green color, means I can go for green. I can increase the font, means select everything, go to home, increase your font size, select. But one thing, like Microsoft Word, whatever you need to do, you need to select everything, and you need to increase. See, according to the font size I selected, I can increase. If I use this thing, I can adjust my size also. Then I'm giving for whom I'm giving is, this is for second BSc PMCS. Like this I can mention. For this also I wanted to increase the font size. Can you see, if I increase, I can increase. I can go to format. I can select some font design or patterns like this. I can change the color combination, and I can place it up. Okay, like this. Apart from that, I want to type one more thing, but here I don't have an option. I had two boxes available. I typed it off. In that thing, whenever you want to type some content in PowerPoint, you need to go for an option called this text box. If you click on text box, place it wherever you want, you will be available to type. To type content, that means words, letters, and all, you prefer to use this text box. Okay. Here you can type a resource. The information about the resource person, you can type it off. And one more feature of PowerPoint is, in PowerPoint, we won't type anything big thing. Everything has to be typed in form of a shortcut points. Okay, don't type big paragraphs in PowerPoint. Even if it is paragraphs are there, you need to divide it according to a small points, and then you need to think. See, I have placed a text box and I have done it. So what I want to do, I want to make it to bring it to a center. So just press on the center button, increase your font size, you according to it. Don't go beyond the slide layout. Okay, it won't be published. Then I want to give one color, particular color for this. I can select this color, and remaining thing I want to give some other color, means I can go and select this. Apart from that, I can go, if I go here, I want to put one box for all these things, means see, I have an option whether I can put blue color, or whether I want this filled font option or other things. My color is very dull for this blue background, so I'm increasing the color, making it to bold. Apart from that, for this background I want some shading effect. Okay, go, this is the blue color you selected now. Go to shade, bevel. In that, if you go, you will get one some shining effect for your background also. Even you can change the colors for your thing. See, light color, whichever color you select, according to that it will display. Okay, like this you can design. So the first page is ready. So done with this. So adjust according to your requirement, you adjust. First page is ready. Then for you want to go to the next page. Don't go to file and new. File and new means adu next presentation hogbidutte. We don't want a next presentation, we want a next slide. Okay, in the same presentation I want another slide. So go to new slide. Here when you click new slide, varieties of options are there. Itara beka, other title and content, section header, to content, comparison. Like this time I'm going to select title and content. So I'm giving going to give the heading session outline. Like this topic I'm going to give. Here I have already a bullet points. So first I'm telling introduction to PowerPoint. Then features of PowerPoint. Then a demo model of PowerPoint, then assignment. So what we are going to do, that session heading I have given. Once again, for this also you can design it. Select it, go to format option, select some pattern of your choice, or you don't want, you want this pattern, select and select the color according to your requirement. And for this also, say I don't want dotted, means I want some other shape, means I can decide the bulleting shapes also by selecting numbering option. Select whichever shape you want and you can select the option. Select the color combination. When you click here, you have so much of color combination. Whichever color combination you want, you can select. Increase the font like this. Like you can design. So second slide is ready. So next slide I want, I can go to slide. This time I'm selecting this option. Okay. Here, in case you want to insert some pictures like that, for that what you can do, go to insert. You have an option like inserting the picture, or you can take a screenshot of this area only and put it off, or from the album you can open and select, or from the thing. So here I can select, and I will go to pictures, and I have one logo here. I will place this logo as my picture. So I will place this picture. And one more thing, even though if the dotted lines are there, you don't want that line, means you can select it and delete it off. It's not going to be a problem for us. Wherever you want, you can. Once again, you want that thing, means you can select like this. Okay. So first slide was introduction. So I'm just placing introduction. Select it, make it big, give the color combination, and then you want to tell about this course, means online certificate course designed for second BSc PMCS students. It is 30 days topic covered includes. What are the topic we covered, like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, tools and techniques, like that. Okay, about the session you want to introduce. Here also you can select the option design according to your requirement. Here I am selecting the color. This time I want green color to be placed, and this I wanted to be in brown color, and I want a box border for this. In box border I want this background to be there, like this. See, I want to increase the picture size, means select the picture. This corner, if you come, if you drag, the picture will become big. If you want to make the picture small, you can make it small. Okay, this is done. Next we will move on to next slide. Here this time we will prefer using this type. Okay, here title only we can give. Features of PowerPoint I'm giving. Here features of PowerPoint, I want to type, it is used for a presentation software. It provides animation effect, transition effect, like that. I want to include the features of PowerPoint. You can type, or if you want to type in a plain slide, you want to type, means where you have to go? You have to go for text box, place it and type. This is one option. Apart from that, I want to use some 3D models, and I want to do, for that go to insert, go to smart art. And you see features, you can include like this also, no, you can select like this and include features. Or if you come across, there are varieties of options available to include the, like this I can specify my feature, like this I can specify, like this, one feature can be included. I can specify in this, varieties of shapes and other things are there, so you can select your choice. So I'm selecting this shape and placing. So I need to type the features of PowerPoint. I am telling used for a presentation software. It available with various formatting options. Formatting options. Apart from that, here we can give transition effects. That means animation effect can be given in for each slides. Animation effect. Then even you can do video recording of your slides using this thing. These are the some of the features. You can, if you can click here, you can design the pattern you wanted. I want this pattern, or you want to, I want my pattern to be, features to be displayed like this. See, or I want to like this. See, varieties of options are there. You can done. So these are the, and you want to make the thing big, means you can big. Even you want to change the colors also, you can change the colors. This is the one other option. So we'll go, this time I'm selecting a blank slide. Blank slide, any content you want to type, once again I'm telling, you have to go for a text box thing. Apart from that, see, you have varieties of shapes available. This place also you will have shapes, or you can go to insert and shapes. Here also the shapes are available. Like Word, you can draw PowerPoint, flow chart, like that, or any design, rectangular design. See, lot of shapes are available. Anything you want, you just have to select and place the thing. You want to put the some number symbols like this, and change the colors also. Go to format, according to the color you give, the color get changed. Okay, varieties of shapes and symbols are available. So for shapes and symbol you will go for this option. And here icons, if you want, you can select. I don't know whether it is not loaded in my system. And this is smart art, which I told for features of thing we used. Let me come back to chart. Then you want to set header and footer, that every slide what to be there. Then you have word art. Apart from you designing, that word art option will be there. You can select any pre-built design. You want to type some equations, you can go for this equation symbol. It will help you to see like this. Apart from that, see, go to where this I will tell you. You want to type an equation. Let me take a blank slide. Okay, you want to type an equation, go to insert, give equation. By default, some equations are given. You can also type your own equation. See, binomial theorem, when I click, my binomial theorem equation will be available. Apart from that, if you observe this after selecting the equation, when you observe this, all the mathematical symbols are available. You want to type a square root of this. You want to see, I want anything you want to type. If insert, take a text box. You want to write your own formula, means go to format, insert, equations. In equations, you will find union of, intersection of, greater than, less to, Fahrenheit, delta, summation, there exist, whatever formulas you want, you will find it. See, apart from that, see, fractions are there, e to the power of radicals, larger, brackets, sine, cos values, limits you want to write it in a matrix format, you can include. All these options are available in PowerPoint. You can use it up. Okay, this is one thing. Next, we will go for another slide. Let me tell, even here you can make charts available. I'm selecting to make charts. Charts not only in Excel, here also, but one speciality is charts are prepared based upon the data we enter. So even though I place charts here, my data has to be entered in the Excel. System only will show you Excel in this while making chart. So go to, for this also, insert, click on chart. You can select whichever chart you want. I am selecting this time pie chart. Whichever model you want, you can select, and then okay. My charts will be placed, and if you can observe, my Excel sheet also will be open in a read-only mode. According to your data, you need to give the values. You don't want to change anything, just leave it off, means close it up. This chart only will be there. Apart from that, I want to do something. For example, I want to have a result comparison, result analysis. How many first class, how many second class, like that. So I'm changing this value to my value. I'm giving first class, second class, so here I'm giving second class, here I'm giving third class, then fail. So here I'm giving a result analysis as my heading. Here I'm giving, I am getting 68% first class, then 32% second class, 12% fail, and 5% fail, 12% third class, and thing. Mention your values according to your chart will be prepared. So when you go back, so your chart is being prepared. Here also you have an option. If you can, you see, you can have varieties of chart options are there. You want to select any of the options, you can select and use it up. And these colors are so dull, means you can select and change the color combination also, and make it big, small, and all you can do. See, this also, I want to make it big, then bold, like that options I can do. Okay, so chart also can be done. You can give the data in Excel, just close that fraction of second, Excel sheet will come, give the data, according to the chart will be placed. Okay, this is thing. Apart from that, in Excel, even you can insert tables. Go to insert, you have an option like number of rows and number of columns, like table will be done. So you can directly type serial number, employee name, department, then I can type serial number, adjust the positions also. So serial number is 1, employee name is Arun, department is software testing thing, Akash, Python programmer, Vinuta, technical writer, like that I can design my tables also. You want to insert a field, apart from that, see here designing is very easy. Select the table, select an option. You have so many designs available. Whichever design you select according to your table will be ready. For this table, I want to give a heading means take a text box, give the heading employee details. Once again, background design, background color for the things you can give. Okay, like this you can design your page slide by slide in PowerPoint. Apart from that, see my background is looking white. I want to have a colorful backgrounds. For that also you can go for an option called design. By default, system will show you varieties of option. By default, see, according to the option I select, my background changes. You can select whichever background you want. If I select this, all my background will get changed. So I'm selecting this background means according to the background. See, from the beginning, if you observe, all my background would have changed according to the background which I have selected. When this I want to adjust to the middle, like that you want to do. Like, see, whichever background I select. No, I wanted something in green color. I want this color, or I want have some more options. I can only select the colors. I don't want this background means I can change to this background. I don't want this background means I can change to this background. Some other options I wanted. I want basically this background means according to this. Here also I have color combination to decide which background I wanted. See, like this according to my requirement. So only one thing, your screen size, if it is goes beyond the link, adjust the thing. Just see, adjust. Let me move the, okay. According to your requirement, adjust the screen. That's all, your background. Apart from all these things, I want to design my own background. I don't want to design the system background means you can right click, go for format background. You can only select the color combination, this color or anything, this which direction, like that. Or you want to have a predefined texture. See, varieties of textures are there, like this, like a marble tails. This color will be, this textures will look like your tails, floor tails, no, like that you wanted. In this, if I give apply to all, it will be applied to all the things. I want to apply only for this means leave it up. Okay, like this you can do. So here also go to format background. This time I want to select a pattern fill. Pattern fill means you can select two color combination. For example, I'm selecting this color and I'm selecting this color, and you can select the pattern. Can you, this looks like a shirt pattern, like that. Like this you can think. Once again, here also when I say apply to all, it will apply to all the slides. Control Z if I give, it will go back to only one slide, it will apply. Okay, like this also you can design the things. After doing all the things, the next stage is how you present it. Before presenting, you want to see your adjustments of the slide is, you have to come down. This is your normal view. Normal view means your slide view will be there. The slide sort options, that the slides will be arranged in a smaller size also. And next, when you click this, we call it a side slotter view. Here what happens, all my documents, all my slides will be in a smaller size for me to think. See, if you have 25, 50, 60 slides, easy for you to move across, and you can decide which position, which slide should come. Say, I want to bring this here, I want to bring this here. Like this, I can change the positions of the slide using this. Just drag and drop, your slide positions will change. Like this you can think. Next is reading view. Only you want to read, you can you go for this. Next, go back to the normal view itself. Last is slideshow. Here also you can select, or you can go to file, click slideshow. Slideshow is the view where you will exactly present your slides, like this. When you are explaining, you will always present in a slideshow view. These are the design formats. So today's assignment will be, you will prepare a presentation. Take your own topic, maybe your own interest, like any, how to make coffee, like cooking methods or gardening methods, or take any of our data structure concept like stack, what is stack, features of stack, advantage of stack, disadvantage. But no theory card, it should be only point by point you to use, and try to use all kind of tools like pictures, smart art, charts, like that. try to use all the things. Make 10 slides and you have to upload it in the Classroom app. Take some time to design this 10 slides, so that the next session will be, for the same thing, I will teach how to give the animation effect. That time it will be very much helpful for you. You can use your same slide, give animation effect, and you can try it out. Okay. So take maybe 2 days time. Till today is now Tuesday, it will be uploaded. Take till Thursday, prepare a nice presentation for 10 pages with all the color combination, especially your capital letters and small letters. I could observe many of you are typing in small letters only. When you say typing, the first letter should be a capital letter and then it should have the small letters. Okay, use all these things. Prepare one nice 10 pages presentation and you will upload in our Classroom app. Okay, with this we end our session. We will continue in our next session with the concept of animation, transition animation, slide by slide animation, and also the word text animations. Okay, we will discuss in our next class. With this we stop.